I welcome you for this React Prerequisites for Beginners Part 1 training course. The agenda for this lecture is Software Development Alternatives Online Playgrounds. In this lecture, we will learn about online playgrounds. They are CodePen, Code Sandbox, Stack Blitz. If you are interested in playing around with React, you can use an online code playground. Try a Hello World template on CodePen, Code Sandbox or Stack Blitz. CodePen. It is an online community for testing and showcasing user-created HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code snippets. It functions as an online code editor and open source learning environment where developers can create code snippets called pens and test them. This is the home page of CodePen website. This is where you can write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript source code on CodePen website. You are able to see the output Hello World based on the program which you have written on CodePen website. Code Sandbox. It is a cloud development platform that empowers anyone to code, collaborate, and ship projects of any size from any device in record time. Some of its features include live collaboration, GitHub integration, VS Code integration, container sandboxes, dashboard and teams, and deploy sandboxes. It also provides powerful dev tools that allow you to create shortcuts to run any command both at startup, file change, or with a click. Some of the unique features of Code Sandbox includes live collaboration. When working on a sandbox, you can open up a live session. This generates a unique URL which you can share with others. They can then join your session and work on the same sandbox as you in real time. GitHub committing, forking, and peering. Besides importing from and exporting to GitHub, it also allows you to work on a GitHub repo directly. You can commit, fork, and create pull requests directly from Code Sandbox. Container sandboxes. You can run your sandbox in a container. This allows you to run your sandbox in an environment that is closer to production than your local machine. Dashboard and teams. You can create teams and invite members to collaborate on sandboxes together. You can also see all your sandboxes in one place and manage them easily. Deploy sandboxes. You can deploy your sandbox with one click. It supports deploying to Vercel, Netlify, and Heroku. You are able to see the output Hello Code Sandbox on the right hand side based upon the program which you have written on the Code Sandbox. Stack Blitz. It is an instant full-stack web IDE for the JavaScript ecosystem. It is powered by Web Containers, the first WebAssembly-based operating system which boots Node.js environment in milliseconds securely within your browser tab. StackBlitz is secure, shareable, and satisfying. StackBlitz takes care of all the setup from forking and installing dependencies to configuring build tools and hot reloading. Working on StackBlitz feels exactly like working on your local development environment, minus the frustrating parts. The key features of StackBlitz: unmatched security. All development is happening in your browser tab, including running Node.js and Git. Surprisingly fast. The entire development environment spins up in milliseconds. Even reinstalling node_modules is as simple as refreshing the page. Works online and offline. Continue your work even when you lose the internet connection midway. Your apps are always online. Your apps never go to sleep and have no bandwidth limits. Share the URL with as many friends, colleagues, and communities as you would like. Seamless debugging with Chrome Dev tools for both front-end and back-end apps. Here you are able to see the output on the right-hand side, Hello StackBlitz, based on the program which you have written on StackBlitz. The next agenda is add a React component to an HTML page. I thank you for participating in this lecture. We'll see you soon in the next lecture.